Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what is mouse and how to use mouse. So I made this video for beginner, for you are new in a devices of the computer or PC. So if you're using laptop, mouse is not included when you buy the laptop. You must buy a separately. So this is computer mouse. So you can try to search what is computer mouse in the web. For example, this is computerhub.com. It's very good for you trying to search help about devices and other software. So this computer mouse or just mouse is handheld hardware input device that control a cursor in graphical user interface. As you can see, this is a cursor. It's controlled by mouse or pointing by mouse, moving by mouse, and selecting text icon like this, blocking text icon, files, and folder on your computer. So for desktop computers, the mouse is placed on a flat surface in front of your computer. The picture shows Logitech. This is a brand with two primary buttons and wheel. This is the wheels and these two primary buttons, right and left. And this is like DPI or volume. So who invented the mouse? This is Douglas Engelbart in 1963 while working at Xerox. And also, what are use of the mouse? Like move the mouse cursor, pointing, open or execute program by clicking or double clicking. That object open the document, execute and programs. Select mouse also lets you select text or file or highlight and select multiple files at once. Drag and drop, hover, scroll, perform other functions. And this one, how has the mouse increased computer usability? This is when you see a computer, you don't have to memorize commands such as utilize the text-based command line and for like MS-DOS, for example. So where our Windows user only has to double click to open folder and see its content. So there is type of computer mouse here. The Air mouse, the cordless or wireless without cable like this one. Foot mouse, Intel mouse, J mouse, joystick, mechanical optical touchpad, trackball. This is like the old one and also track points. And the port also there's a Bluetooth without cable, infrared without cable. This is with cable. Also USB with cable and serial port with cable. So the button, this is a part of mouse, and this one mechanical with trackball, and this is optical, the modern one, and also mouse wheel, like scroll up down on a page, circuit board, cable or wireless receiver here, and other part like a adjust your DPI. And this is the laptop mouse, like touchpad. Do smartphone use mouse here? Smartphone and tablet use a touch screen, not mouse. So please free to try to learn in this website what is the mouse. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next